How many pounds you have, Will? Yeah, get that water out of your chamber. Now,
So what else can you tell me?
see how much, I don't know that much. 33
And then
degrees.
it ain't hard.
Now it's 480. I bet the fire in here.
Still now. That'll be hotter than 24. Like 1090.
That's the 99. Yeah. I'll be done. Okay, so you're at 35, almost 50. There we go, 295.
Hey, you can build your team table on this.
Essential. That's all potential.
Well, it's all potential right now.
It's all potential.
Yeah.
I told you, Will.
What you tell me?
Your steam space is about 6 or 7 degrees hotter than your water space. There's a bunch of
Oh, hey, thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'll put it on the back on the deck there.
Still need this?
I'm good with that.
That would be one of the top of your dumpster. The top is a little hole right in the very top. And you want to use the oil. That little cup inside the fly ball. All Ranger. There's a little hole in the top. Do that a little work.
Shut that blower off. Is that all we close?
No, I know. My house will oil and look at the top. That's the work. Give it a couple squirts. And then you got 2 little oilers on the shaft.
I got those already. Yeah.
good, Will.
Yeah, don't mess it up now.
You ratless.
Here, I get it.
You doubting Thomas
I
Ratliff.
get it.
I can tell he's his father's son. Okay. Let's go ahead and back around and fill up the bumper. Don't make a mess. That's the oxymoron.